Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn a nice and very beautiful story. Let's start. The Prophet Uzair's donkey. The Prophet Uzair's or Isra alayhi salam was a very pious man. He had a donkey. Riding it, he would travel far and wide. One day, he was riding his donkey as usual. He looked up and saw some rains at the side of the road. It was an old rain down. No one lived there. The Prophet Uzair said, "How can Allah remake the city? How can He again make it full of people? It is totally dead." Allah hears and sees everything. He heard what the Prophet Uzair said. In less than a moment, Allah caused him and his donkey to die. 100 years passed. Allah brought the Prophet Uzair back to life. He asked the Prophet Uzair, "Do you know how long you were dead?" Uzair said, "A day or part of a day." Allah said, "You were dead for 100 years. Allah said, "Look at your donkey. There are only bones left. But look what I can do. I will put flesh on the bones, and I will make the donkey alive once again." The next moment, the Prophet Uzair's donkey stood in front of him. The Prophet Uzair looked around. The food and water he carried with him 100 years back were spread on the grass. He had a sip of the water. He put some food in his mouth. The water was fresh and the food was fresh. The Prophet Uzair looked again at the donkey. He looked again at the food. He said, "Really, Allah has power over all things. Allah made all the things. He will remake them and give them life in the hereafter. Allah has power over all things." The story is told to reform belief in the hereafter and life after death. Thank you very much.